Hey guys, in this video I'm going to code a Python program that would accept a list of words, probably a text file containing a list of words, and then it's going to calculate the vowels percentage in each word, and it's just going to write it down onto the right of each word, and then it's going to provide you with the edited file. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, that is UTF-8, so encoding UTF-8, and right now we're gonna have a list that's going to hold all the lines from the text file that I'm going to extract. So we have a list here, all lines, and then we have a sorted list, right? That's going to contain all the sorted lines, right? So sort list, and then we're going to open up our original text file. And after reading that, I split the entire file by \n so that I can grab each line and store it in all lines list, right? That's it. I just close the file, and now we're going to find out the vowel percentage. Lines length, and that I stored in line length, and then we're going to count the vowels and store it in vowel count variable. So by the count a, and we're going to write down all the vowels and then just add up their count. So that's it. Now we're going to calculate the percentage of vowels in each word, right? So vowel count divided by line length, then we're going to multiply by 100 and then I, right? So then just into that sort list, I'm gonna append that percentage, right? And we're going to also add up a percentage symbol, and then some blank spaces. So I just sorted the entire list, and now it's time to shift the percentage symbol to the right. Okay, so we're gonna split it first. Edited file. We're just going to write into another file, and then I just modified its order because I want the percentage on the right side. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful. Now here's the deal. I didn't mention the edited file's path, so we can just have a new variable here, right? So we're gonna link to that edited file. So edited file, so just provide the path that you would like. So now let's run this code.